bad neck problems.
You have a very bad neck problem.
I know. Yes, that's right where it is.
Relax your head this way.
I don't know how to relax.
Well, don't relax then.
Okay.
Stay nice and tight. Relax your head.
Oh my gosh.
Breathe.
Oh my God, what just happened?
Isn't that wonderful?
Now it hurts on this side.
That's why we're going to go right there. And just gently breathe in and relax. Keep that shoulder loose.
Oh my God. I love this.
Good. Now face down. Tight right here. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Relax your shoulder. There we go. And way down here on the side. Stay loose. There we go. Now face down. Relax this way. You see two to move. Drop your head down. Relax your shoulder. There we go. Awesome. And over here. Relax your shoulders. There we go. Good. Face down.
入りますよ。
すごいな。すごいな。胸張ってる、胸張って。はい、鼻で大きい。はいはい。よし、いいよだ。はい。鼻で大きい。はい。
ちょっと変に力を。
もう一回、いじって。はいはい。よし、OK、次だ。首は100点。
首を100点も
はい。はい。いきますよ。まっすぐ向いて。はい、来た。はい。はい。次から。ズトン。はい。OK。OK。
The other one right there.
Oh, wow.
And then I'm just going to give it a little bit of traction. We're going to give a little stretch, but that should free up her neck. Actually, you can feel quite a bit more movement there. We don't have an area now that's holding back, so now the vertebra can turn freely and move in other directions, laterally flex and everything else.
We talked about this before. Change the angle in the pelvis, which relaxes the paraspinal muscles from the lumbopelvic region all the way up to his occiput before reflexes. Okay, aren't bad, but they're not great either. Okay, take a deep breath through your nose for me, Colby. Let it all the way out. Oh yeah, that was all the way down. Feel that all the way through? Yeah. There we go. Now, check these out now. See? You see the difference in those immediately? Your reflexes? That's excellent. Okay, so now we're going to adjust his cervical spine. Palmer Diversified Master Rotary Brake.
Hi, I'm Dr. Diaz with Momentum Chiropractic and Rehab. We have Lindsay here. She's come in with some neck pain, upper neck pain down into her trap. What we noticed during an examination is that she has anterior head carriage and she has some upper cervical restriction. So that's kind of leading to her neck pain and her trap pain as well. She also has low back pain from lifting heavy objects at work. So we've also palpated and found some trigger points that are bugging her. We're going to go ahead and adjust her spine accordingly. So let's go ahead and set up for a neck adjustment here. You can set up right over here. You can relax, then have you scoot just a tad forward on the chair and relax right there. Bring your shoulders back right here. We're going to adjust right into the cervical region. We've already, upon palpation, discovered that she kind of has some pain here in the upper cervical region. So we're going to have you relax for me. As I set up for adjustment, relax here for me. Very good, okay. Relax right in here. We're going to go ahead and come on the other side. And we're at about C2 on this side. We're going to go from posterior to anterior right here. I want you to relax here for me. Very good. I'm sorry. Okay. Let me have you lay right here face down. Very good. Okay. We're going to set up for adjustment right here in the upper thoracic region, cervical thoracic region right here. We also had some pain into this trap here. Okay, I'm going to start right in here first. We're about the T4 region. Breathe in for me and all the way out. Very good. Okay. I want you to relax right in here for me. Good. Okay. Relax right over here for me. Very good. Sorry about that. You okay? Mm-hmm. All right. Let me have you lay on your side facing this way. Now for her low back, we're going to go ahead and adjust the bottom, her hips here. Lift this knee right there. Okay. Relax right here. Give me this arm right in here. And again, we've already palpated and found some pelvic and lumbar restrictions here in low back. So we're going to go ahead and perform a side posture adjustment here. Breathe in for me. And all the way out. Very good. Let me have you turn facing the other way for me. Okay, same thing on this side. We're going to go ahead and have her bend the knee here. Give me this arm right here, right there. All right, we're also going to move the pelvis here from posterior to anterior. Take a deep breath for me. And all the way out. Very good. Thank you.
Problem over here on that right C2. All right, so we'll go ahead and do that neck adjustment now. I'm just going to tip your head over to the left side. Have you relax nice and heavy. Very good. Really great movement out of that joint. That feel okay?
Felt great.
Same thing on the left over here. Very good. You're all set, Jeff.
All
Great
right.
adjustment.
Press on this joint on the left side. Hold that real strong. It's halfway. What if I press on the right side? Hold that real strong. That turns off completely. So maybe it's even a little fixated on both sides. Certainly the right side is not moving like it should. So we're going to let this arm relax. I'm going to bring your table up just a little bit so I don't have to bend over quite so much. All right. So let me do all the work. So what I'm going to do is support your head right here. Just let it rest on my hand. We're going to come underneath, way over here. Good. So I can feel right there it starts to get stuck. Can you feel that? It's like bumps up against something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move to the edge of where it's stuck. I'm going to let it relax, and then I'm going to give an impulse to move beyond that. Okay? Let me do all the work. So your neck just drops right down toward the table. Good. Come underneath. Leave your breath out for me, please. And relax. How was that?
That's nice.
That was an interesting, very high frequency, crispy sound that I heard. I was expecting a deeper pop. So what that tells me is we got a little freedom in that joint. It's not 100% free. Okay, that's as much as it wants to give up right now, and I'm going to live with that. So bring this arm up. Hold that. I'm going to press on this side.
Tongue to your right side. Hold that. Good. To your left side. Hold that. Good. Put your left thumb right there. Hold that. Let that go. Leave your breath all the way out for me. Good. Leave your breath out. A little longer. Good job. Just like that. Good.
Yeah.
Bring this arm up. Hold that. There we go. Let this elbow bend. Fingers straight. Hold up strong. Good. This comes in. Turn like so. Even more. Hold toward this shoulder. Good. Real straight. Hold toward this hip. We're going to come back on that in a second. Come way down here. Turn this in and put this right up against your ribs. Holding strong for me. Good. Do the backstroke way back. Oh, yeah, that's pretty natural. You should be a swimmer when you're done cycling. That was pretty good. Let's see this one.
Is that related to a neck or a back?
That one's neck, and also has to do with liver stuff, which might explain why you're feeling colded, because the liver is your chemical factor, right?
I've been sick for like 2.5 weeks since Beijing.
Yeah. Well, if you're oriented towards some supplements, we'll get you on something that'll help.
I took like, you remember the last time I was here, you gave me like echinacea and all that
Good.
local stuff. I took that for a while.
Good. Take both shoulders down toward your hips. There you go. Leave your arms down. We're going to travel this way. Leave your breath out. It's all good. Right there. Good job.
You know what else was weird? I got like these little poison ivy looking dots that were like blisters on my hands. Like, it just showed up out of nowhere, like these red blisters.
Right.
You ever heard of that before?
Yes.
Is that like
That's
foreign?
something's irritating the gut, which is skin. See, the skin covers the outside, covers the inside.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've eaten something that's irritating the skin inside here, and the skin out here shows up. I'm going to have you reach up toward the ceiling.
Both arms.
Both arms, yeah. Turn this way and wrap way around like you're trying to touch your spine. Take a breath in, hold your breath. Lift your head. Let your breath all the way out. Good. Leave your breath out. We're going to fold you up. Leave your breath out. There you go. Leave your breath out. One more. Good.
Oh.
That big one got most all. Let's see what else we got.
That felt good.
Is that all right?
Yeah.
That unlocks some of that. Take a breath in. Let it all the way out. This arm drops over the side. Leave your breath out. This arm comes down by your side. Way down here. Good. I'll track all the way around here. Take a breath in. Let it all the way out. Good. That's it. Let your right arm hang over the side. Move that way. Face up for me. Shoulders down. Okay. Good. Let everything relax. Travel right to there. Let your head drop. Take a breath in. Let it out. Good. So let your head drop. We're going to come way around this way. Leave your breath out. Wiggle your toes. There we go.